Hi, this is Jan Hall with www.mathnook.com. Welcome to our tutorial on using place value strategies. In our previous tutorial on place value, we looked at how to read large numbers. If you haven't seen that video, you may want to watch that one first. This video will give you some ideas on how to apply or use what you've learned so far. This problem is one example of a place value question you may be asked on a worksheet or test. Which digit is in the hundred thousandths place in 527,309? You will want to take the time to rewrite the number in your place value chart so you won't make a careless mistake and miss an easy problem. Reread the question to be sure you know what it is asking you. In this question, it asks which digit or number is in the hundred thousandths place. There are two digits with the letter H for hundred underneath, but only one of these numbers is in the thousands group or period, and that's the number 5. So our answer here is B, 5. Here's a different question you may be asked. What is another way to write the number 8,720,108? Draw your place value chart. Let's look at the problem carefully. I'm going to reread the question and pause at the comma and write that number in our chart. The question asks, what is another way to write the number 8 million? So we're going to stop right there and analyze where we're going to put our number. If I put the 8 above the H for 100 million, that would make the number 8 800 million. If I put the number 8 above the T for 10 million, that would make the 8 80 million. If I put the 8 above the O for the 1 millionths place, then I have 8 million, and that is what my question asked. The next part of this question says to write 720,000. I'm pausing at the comma again because it's easier to write the numbers in groups or periods. So I will write the number 720 in the thousands place. The last part of our question is asking us to write the number 108. Now we can compare what we've written so far with our answer choices and not get confused by the answers that are similar. We have 8 in the millions place. Answer choice A says 80 million, so I can eliminate that answer choice. Answers B, C, and D all have 8 in the 1 millionths place, which is correct. We have 720,000. B and C have it correctly, but not D. It has 700,000, not 720,000. So I've eliminated answer choice D. The last part of our number says 108. You can see that B has 180 and is not correct. And answer choice C has 108 and is the correct answer. Our answer is read as 8,720,108. Here's a different question you may be asked. What is the value of the number 7 in 97,158? The word value means how much it is worth. One strategy is to rewrite the digit you want the value for underneath the problem. The question wants to know the value of 7, so we will rewrite 7 in the same place value as in the number. Put zeros underneath the numbers that follow the 7. We can see that 7 is in the thousandths place and is worth 7,000. So our answer is C, 7,000. Another type of question you may have to answer is like problem number 4. I think it is easier to rewrite the value of each digit yourself and then compare it to the answer choices. We'll start with the digit in the highest place. 6 is in the 10,000ths place, so it is worth 60,000. Our next number is 8, and it is in the 1,000ths place, so it is worth 8,000. Next we have 3 in the hundredths place, and it is worth 300. Our 1 in the tens place is worth 10. Our 7 in the ones place is worth 7. Now that we have written our numbers out, we can compare them to our answer choices. We can see that our 6 is worth 60,000. Answer choice A says 6,000. So we know it's not A. B, C, and D all say 60,000. Now we can look at our 8, which is worth 8,000. B says 800, so we know our answer is not B. Answer choices C and D both have 8,000. Our next digit, 3, is worth 300. Answer choice C has 100, so C is not correct. D has 300 plus 10 plus 7, which matches what we wrote out. Our correct answer is answer choice D. For more place value practice, play our free center game paper plate presentation for whole numbers. Play one of our many free online math games like Which Number, or find written practice with our place value word problems listed in our worksheets category. We hope you've enjoyed this mathnook tutorial and that you will visit us again at www.mathnook.com.